we go for another one. Got the EGT probe from Edge. So I got the CTS3. So I got the EGT probe. Wiring harness. This will go to the middle of that cable. That goes to the OBD2. This will go from the sensor, EGT probe, this to the module, to this, to then your CTS3. So yeah, we'll get it installed. Put the indifferent well down, and I took out my plug. I have the PPE manifold, so it just got an Allen in there. It's already got threads and stuff. The probe itself had a do not bend on it. I just took it off because I'm not going to bend it. And I already know the warning. Just get this. Let's see. Just throw it in a couple. Dummy move. Take the probe out first. This top one screw, and then it'll just slip right off. Snug it up. I think that one's a 14. This top one was. Yep. Don't help you cover it. Let's see, I kind of want to run it straight up. See if I can get that to work. There she blows. Snug it up. 14. That's good. Alright, now we'll pop the food. Run the wire. Alright, so what we got here now, this end is going to plug into that probe, and we're going to run this to like pretty much the driver's side, around the steering column area, and we'll feed it through the firewall, or we'll plug it in to the other one. That'll be the next step. So this, and inside is a clip, clips like this. You get the idea. I'm going to clip it in with 2 hands just so I don't break anything. And then we'll run this on the driver's side, plug in the next wire, then to the monitor. So that was the hole I went with. I ran it back behind this box. A lot of slack right now, but I'll tighten all that up. It plugs right into this. Right through there, right next to the fuse block. And I just kept this here. There. Gucci and the Louis. Now we're gonna just tighten all, or zip tie all this together, make it look nice and clean, and then, oh yeah, get that boot back in too. And then, see all done. I got EGT parameters now.